Hello, teachers. This is Anusha. I'm the founder of Octaves Online. Um, Welcome to Octaves Online. I'm here to walk you through our teacher portal, a personalized teacher portal that you will get access to once you onboard with us. What you have to do, the portal, you can access your portal by portal.octavesonline.com/teacher. This is accessible via your phone or iPad or your laptop. So once you have this, you can sign in with Google. Use your Gmail ID to sign inside this portal. And once you sign in here with one of your emails that you want to register with us, it will make an entry with Octaves Online, but your email will not be registered with us. It will show your email is not registered with Octaves Online. Once you have done this sign in process, please connect with Sharada. Ask her to register your email with Octaves Online against your name. So it's a 24 it will take a day for us to register this. Once it is registered with us, you should be able to access your portal through the same registered email. Once you have access, this is how our portal will look like. We have do's and don'ts published on our portal. I request you to run through the do's and don'ts for trial classes and also for regular classes. We are particular about the rules that we have laid, and we run a tight feedback system inside, where we regularly follow up with students and get the feedback on how your classes are going. And we also request you to provide feedbacks on students if you have any problem, and we take it seriously. So a few or most of the rules here have no tolerance policy with us, so kindly internalize them and ensure that you follow these rules. Yeah, and which makes both our lives and your lives easier, so that we will be happy to provide you more business and more students across everything. Thank you. And now going to the portal, this is how the portal looks. Portal has three sections: attendance, earnings, and library. And you can see section student, and you can see your drop down where you can see all your students. This is a dummy portal which I'm running through you. So this student, when I click on the student, I can see the details of the student. Here I can see under the right side section, under the payments, here under credits, I can see um, number of classes that the student has paid with us. So Octaves Online works on a prepaid model. When a student shows interest in taking classes with you, we give them a free demo session with you. Once the demo session is over, what happens next? We ask them, we run a background verification on them, and we ask them to purchase classes. So these are tied together. Background verification and the first purchase of the student is tied together. Once the background verification is done, we will share student's phone number with you, and your phone number with the student. Until then, we request you to wait and not proceed forward. So purchasing this credits, how many classes the student has purchased will reflect as a credit in this system here, and the fee per class is also reflecting here. So the page will be pre-populated with today's date. Pressing on add button here will add attendance on this student. So can you see the credit from 10 went 9? What does this mean? I have added an attendance for today. So we request you to keep the attendance up to date. So you're going to take your classes on your iPad or on your laptop. We request you to immediately add an attendance after this. Each time it is done, you can so we do a lot of panchayats when it comes to attendance, because of the difference in time zone and attendance date reflecting different. So we request you to be very apt and mark the attendance correctly to all the students. Also, one other feature here that we have provided is, when you see the credits going 0 or even 1, you can click on remind, and we will remind the student on your behalf to purchase the classes. We request you not to take classes when they are at minus credits. It is very difficult for us to go track the students and get the payment. So however we do, whenever there is a negative credit, we go chase them back and get the amount. But we request you not to do that. When there is a 0 credit, you are the one responsible for marking the attendance. You will very well know when there is a 0 credit. You can press the remind button, and we will remind on your behalf and get the payment done from the student side. This again, I'm reiterating, the attendance is this section is available in your phone, and while you're taking classes or once your classes is done, you can please very well mark the attendance for the student. So based on your attendance, we release your payments. And coming to the earning section, under earning section, here you can see your monthly earnings. So from last 4 months we used to show the earnings, and up to date earnings will also be updated here. And there are two sections, pending section and settled section. So when a student purchases classes with you, it first comes to Octaves Online, and Octaves Online will settle it in a week time to your account. So all the settled amount, we do bulk settlement together. So the settled amount will be reflecting like this: what is the amount settled and how have we settled, like how have we clubbed the student, the first student 4 classes, second student 4 classes, third student 10 classes, we have settled together. This is how it will reflect. And what are the pending payments from Octaves Online side will also be reflecting here. We usually settle it within 7 days. We have an audit. We each time we settle, we also go back. There is another person who is auditing if the money has been settled properly. Feel free to raise any conflicts or any questions on this anytime to Aarti or Sharada or Malika. So we'll always be here to address it. There has never been any cases on missed payments or anything from Octaves Online side. We ensure that we make the full payment as committed from us, and we also do a prepayment. Like if the student purchases 5 class, we don't wait until you complete the classes, we pay it upfront. So request you to mark the attendance correctly so that the next payment is so that you can start the classes correctly with the students. Then comes the next section, library section. See, we request you to start using the library section. Why? Because library section is very important for us to assist you as a teacher and take you to the next step. Octaves Online is not just about having one-on-one classes with the teacher. We also do certain other things like video marketing. We also are going to tie up with certain universities, and we are planning to provide predetermined video lessons, predetermined video lessons for the students, which will give you a longer term relationship with us and a guaranteed income. So if you want to get inside this program, we assess you only based on the media library, that the medias that you have uploaded inside the media library. So we request you to utilize this feature and upload the media inside the library. So how does this work? So it's a one time upload and you can share it with your students lifelong. So what we request you to do is click on this when you are starting a lesson 1 with one of your student. We request you to click this, choose the file, and upload the relevant track with the upload the relevant track and title it saying that, hey, this is Bhavayami learning part 1. And you can copy and paste the notes from whichever website you want, or you can type the notes, or you can type here and you can share it with certain students. So this is how it is shared currently with 2 students. Now I can open it back and edit it and share it with any number of students I want. Any or all students I want. Just update it. So each time you upload, you can come back. You have a new student or you have a old student, you feel that you don't want to share it, you can remove it from them. And you have a new student and you want to share it, you can do it anytime. It's just one time upload. We request you to we see a lot of teachers uploading just a small video which shows their hand with talam and while they are singing. It is very useful. And also from our analytics and research, what we have found is when the student opens it, like they have taken classes with you for 5 months or 6 months now, and they are opening and they see such a variety of repository that you have provided, that's when it strikes, oh, I have learned so much from this teacher. So this gives a long-term sustainability with you. So we request you to utilize this media library, and we also assess you a lot. And we teachers who are uploading regularly inside media library, we take them to the next level with us. So we request you to utilize this section properly and add media and share it with the students accordingly. Thank you, teachers. So this you can connect with our team anytime for any queries, but start utilizing the portal properly, and let us know your feedback if you have any. Thank you.